I know for us that we really wanted to focus on our game and how we play, and going into the next, we've got a lot to learn from and a lot to fix, and it's going to be a very good experience to take into our next game. Obviously, we're putting this behind us, so we can go into the next match fresh minded.
Alam ko po, hindi po ito yung resulta na gusto namin, pero proud po ako sa ginawa ng team namin. At lumaban po kami hanggang dulo. Ito yung lesson namin kung paano kami mag-step up sa next game namin. Siguro hindi ko pa po time na makascore, pero next game, pag-iigihan ko pa. Kasi goal ko talaga dito is makatulong sa team. Kung kahit hindi man ako makagoal, pero may makagol man sa mga kasama ko, panalo na rin po yun para sa akin. Ginawa ko naman po lahat, pero hindi talaga sapat. Next game, bakit?
I know for us, we didn't want to, our goal was to focus on ourselves and how we played and we defend and we transition and our runs and everything about us. And I know going into the next match, we're going to take everything from this game, learn from it, but then put it behind us. That way it's not weighing us down for the next. I know for Inday and I and Shah as captains as well, we all really wanted to be examples for the team and set the tone and what we need to accomplish in terms of attacking, defending, making sure the standards are okay on and off the court.
Bilog po ang bola, so hindi natin maano yung result kung hindi pa natin ilalaro. Kaya tingnan na lang po natin sa game at gagawin po namin lahat para maipanalo yung laban at lalaban kami para sa team, para sa bayan, and para sa mga tao na naniniwala sa amin.
I know for us that we really want to show ourselves again and our values and how we are as a team and inspire every Filipino watching, because it is in our home country, and to go into the next match for the fresh slate is going to be our goal.
Yung dream come true nga po ano po hindi ko po in-expect to eh. Nag-training ako, naglalaro ako, pinapakita ko lang kung anong makakaya ko, and then may mga coaches na pinagkakatiwalaan ako, and yun, natupad ko yung pangarap ko, hindi sa easy way, kundi pinaghirapan ko po, at yun po. Hindi pa rin po ako nakakapanig. Sobrang parang nandun pa rin ako sa batang ako eh. Parang gusto ko pang may makamit pa sa sarili ko and then sa team. Kasi hindi pwedeng ako lang. Kasi group team ito. So, para sa team.